So now we're on our last problem for chapter 12, which is 12.2, number 17. And luckily for me, StatCrunch actually has this data set. I just got to grab it. There it is. Okay, I'm actually there already. I just clicked on chapter 12, 12.2, number 17. It's right here. And I can just copy and paste all of this by just dragging with my mouse. Hold on 1 second. There we go. I got them all. And then I copy. I'm going to go over here and paste. And there are all my gender and drop reasons. All right. Awesome. Now this is raw data, in case you missed it, not compiled. It's not in a table form like these other ones have been, where everything's already organized into yeses and nos and two-way tables and so on. So our first mission probably is going to be dealing with that, I can imagine. Let's go back and look at the problem and double check whether I'm right or not. Let's see, page 669. There's all the data. See, and if you didn't have it in there, you could sit there and type it in, you know. It works. And then right here, construct a contingency table for the table of, for the two variables. All right, so that's going to take some doing. We're going to have to go to Excel. Oops, not that one, this one. All right, now we have to think about this. We have a couple things. We have gender, so we have male and female. Those are the only genders that we need to concern ourselves with. All right. Then we need the drop reasons. So there's personal, work, and course. And that's it. So you can kind of scan through and see if there's anything else, but it's those three for the options, if you will, for why they were dropped. Or excuse me, why they dropped the class. And just FYI, as I was doing this, it occurred to me that there's a mistake here because it says it's 52 students, but it's only 50 in this table, and that's what StatCrunch knew as well, 50. So a little bit of a lie there. Okay, so we can do this the long way, which is what we're doing now. Okay, so we want the number that are both male and personal. Now, there are some crafty ways to do this, and there's some sucky ways to do this. So the worst way is to sit here and count. I mean, you could organize the data, right? It'll sort it, and then you can start looking at your males and start counting. I've got 1 personal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So you could sit there and do that. Right? It helps if you organize the data first. And then female personal, 1, 2, 3. Matter of fact, you could, sort. Let's do an expanded sort here. So I want to sort by, okay, I'm going to sort by gender first, and then I'm going to add a level, and I'm going to sort by drop reason. Let's do it that way. Beautiful. Now they're extra sorted. So I can say, okay, female course. Oh, goodness. Is 13. So female course, 13, and so on. And then you can do female personal. Right? And in case you missed it down here, it's, it tells you how many were in that cell, which is 10 total cells, so that's 5. And so on. So you can sit here and do this, and it's fine. It works. It helps if you double sort it. So double sort by this column and then this column. That way everything's organized. There is an easier way. Let me go to StatCrunch for a second. So I'm going to tell it to run the chi-square test. So I'm going to go Stat, Tables, Contingency, Data. This is data. This isn't this isn't summary. Summary is all the other problems we've had. So gender is your row variable. Column variable is your drop reason. You tell it next. What would you like? I want the expected counts, please. And then calculate. And it'll give them all to you. Right there. So you can see you've got female, you've got your observed counts. Hold on 1 second. It reversed my rows, but that's not a big deal. But I can see that the female course is 13. Look, female course is 13. Female personal is 5, right? Female work is 3. And it gives me all the numbers I need to fill this thing out without having to do it myself.